Hi guys, it's Arc Streams here. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy birthday to me, because it's my birthday as well. Okay, it was just a redo video. I've had this video done several years ago, but I got messed up with my channel and got deleted. So anyway, I'm just redoing it. It's an idea I had for a soda can stove stand. Now we know we can usually get away with using like a small either kettle or teapot for most of these stands that are like this, right? But they're not very stable, and what happens is if the power goes out, let's say you want to do some bacon and eggs or use a pan, right? It's not very like stable to hold them, and the counterweight, and they're bigger. So I just came up with this idea to make something flexible and create the stand here. So it opens up, like it starts like that, right? And opens up like so, like a table, and it's pretty sturdy, pretty strong, right? It's just a small one, but each one can make custom made to the size and height you want for the flame, right? You get the idea. This one here, what I used is basically, you could see the wire. It's a 1/16 wire welding rod. This is just steel. You can make it from stainless, and this is pretty much the shape you just bend, and then there's 4 of them, and they're held together by, I'm using heat shrink tubing. So basically you just put it on, light it up, right, let it shrink, and it's pretty heat resistant too, so even if there's heat transfer, it'll be okay. Neat thing about this is it's very stable with 4 legs, so you can put more than one at a time, I guess, if you want, or you could just go back to the regular design this way too. Here is another one I made. Let me open this up. Let me see. Oh, okay. And it's got heat shielding, windproof, whatever. This is just slapped together easily, but it could be made from, I guess, Kevlar meshing or whatever down the road. It's just to give you the idea, right? This pan's a little out of balance, but whatever. Okay. Let me see. So these ones, for this one, I'm using, instead of heat shrink tubing, I got the idea to use these crimps. They're called female disconnects. Let me get a closer view for you. Okay, there we go. And basically these are 1/16 size, so they're perfect for these welding rods that I have. They just slip in there, each side like that, and it holds everything together. It's heat resistant, nice. So this one folds away too, and you can find these pieces at any hardware store, right? The heat shrink tubing as well. So anyway, just wanted to put out this video again that I had, because it received a lot of good positive feedback. A lot of people liked it, and maybe they'll miss seeing what happened to it, so I thought I'd redo it again. And that's that. So if you got any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them. Be happy to answer any more questions, and that's that. Thank you very much. Talk to you next time.